It's a rock here because I try to pick her up. She's sliding. Good morning internet, it is around 9 o'clock in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in Dades Gorge, I'm not sure actually how to pronounce it. Weather today is a little bit dubious. The weather forecast also predicts some rain showers here and there. So let's see how I get on with today. I have quite a long ride planned. So I'm now right over here. And my plan is to ride here through the Atlas Mountains, get across all of here. You can see there's no roads indicated. It's all going to be tiny, I think. And then I want to stay the night in Ouarzazate over here. So I'll just be making a loop kind of this way around. Let's go! On my way! Whew, cold! My goggles came off, so I have to reattach the quick strap of the goggles. So today I will not be riding with my goggles, only visor. Oh, it's way too cold now anyway. It starts to rain already and I'm like 6k into the ride. Ah, look at that. That must be an old kasbah. Like one of the forts. Oh, I think this place is actually called Monkey Fingers. Just in front of me. I was already wondering if I would see that. That's amazing, right? Although with the colors I'm not sure if you can see it well. Impressive, right? There is a town there, but the colors of the buildings, they just completely blend in with the mountains around it. I think that's amazing that they do that, because you could also paint the houses red or green or blue, but now the towns just really completely blend in with the landscape. I really appreciate that. Right, let's head into the mountains then. I see a person in the distance. I think with some animals. Some sheep or goats maybe. I see. A whole bunch of goats on a tent. Oh, some camels there. I'm guessing these people probably still live a full nomadic life. Just traveling with the animals. My navigation says woestijnweg tussen Boe en Tar. Nog wat. Which means desert road in between two places. I suppose I agree with that. Look at this. So very rich in iron. I believe Morocco is mainly mining iron ore. That's their biggest commodity. And then they also have the biggest phosphate reservoir in the world. 77% of all phosphate sits here in Morocco. Well, and 10% in Western Sahara, I believe. How did I lose the track? Oh, there, I think. I must have gotten wrong there. Should have continued here, I suppose, or over there. Here. Oh. And then maybe this one here. Where does the track go? Good question. Alaska is top heavy now because I completely filled up with fuel. Whew. Because I don't think I'll see a fuel station later on today, so let's give it a go. Here. And then where do I go? Through here? Not sure. Oh, maybe not. Or maybe up there. I really don't know where am I supposed to be. Okay, this is a no-go. I went until there. I scouted until that hill, but it's one big wash. So I turned the bike around and I have to go back. I think I know my mistake. Where I turned around just before, when I was like, how did I lose the track? I should have stayed on the main track. Just followed what looked like the most logical route. Instead, I followed my plotted route. That was a mistake. Now, I don't really want to backtrack this part because I know it's rough. Some rough patches there that I don't particularly want to go over again, but I don't have an option. I have to do it. I just really cannot continue here, so this area is amazing, incredibly stunning, especially if you stay on the main track. Look at that! There's a town here. Oh, I did not see that coming. Well, if there's a town, then I'm sure there's another road and I don't have to worry about the super tall mountains. My face is probably still bright red from all the hard work in that dry riverbed. I also dropped Alaska. I didn't, it's not on camera, I think. No! I actually had to get the luggage off this time because I have so much fuel with me that Alaska's really heavy. And she fell on the left, which is where I have the extra tank. So that's another 5 liters sitting on the left side of the bike. So then with that and my luggage, I couldn't pick her up. So I took the luggage off and then I managed. Wow, it is really pretty down here. Look at this. Just amazing. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam. Isn't this stunning? Like this small little village perched up the hill here. I am in the absolute middle of nowhere again. I left the main road a while ago and now I am making my way over this lovely track. Yeah, this is gonna be slow going, I think. And it's gonna be, I think, 120 kilometers of this. Well, I think on the map there is one town at some point. Let's see. The road goes there, but I can't go through here. Need to get around this somehow. Here I can cross it. Wow. Very, very rocky track, eh? And then, of course, because I'm riding parallel to the mountains, I get all these washes and all this runoff from the mountains. Mountains on that side, mountains all around, and I'm just making my way straight through the plains here. I've left the big washes. Okay, no more super deep trenches or whatever you want to call them, gullies, just little ones like these. Look at that. Oh. kind of glad that I'm riding this one down. It's very loose. Oh. I just hit one rock. Glad I'm facing the mountain on this side. Hey, it's very tricky up here. It's very, very loose. There's a bit of rock here because I try to pick her up. She's sliding. Very narrow. It's very hard. Very hard. Staying in the rock now. Yeah. This is rough, eh? Oi, oi, oi. I don't know how well you can see it on the GoPro, because the GoPro always makes everything look easy. Just came down here. It's like it's got through here. I don't know if they did that on purpose or not. It's the only way. There's no other road through here, so this is madness.